Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're getting a LoadPerf 3011 or 3012 error on your computer. So it might say unloading the performance counter string for the service failed, and then it'll give you the error code as the first DWORD in the data section. So how to hopefully go about resolving it, we're going to go ahead and open up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time. And you want to type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. You want to right click on that and then left click on run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to left click on yes. Now you want to go ahead and type in exactly what I'm going to show you guys, and that will be LODCTR space /R. So again, LODCTR and then a space /R. Then you want to hit enter on the keyboard to run this command. Might take a moment here, so just be patient. Once it's done, it should say successfully rebuilt performance counter setting from the system backup store, and should blink a little cursor when you're done, and that means you are done. You should be able to close out of here. We'll suggest restarting your computer, and that should be about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.